Welcome to St. Hilda Catholic Junior High School. I'm David.
And I'm Marina, and we're here to take you on a journey through the halls of our school. Let's go! At St. Hilda, we kick off each day by embracing the values of pride, respect, and responsibility. This helps us be the best versions of ourselves. Our teachers are amazing. They challenge us academically and provide us with a broad range of learning opportunities. They even volunteer their own time so that we can participate in athletics after school. There's something for everyone at St. Hilda, which is a unique blend that has made my grade 7 to 9 junior high experience stand out.
St. Hilda offers the Accelerated Math and Science program, which allows students the opportunity to earn high school credits while in junior high. This program is designed for high-achieving teens who are academically capable of completing their grades 7, 8, 9, and 10 courses in their junior high years. Students within the accelerated programs will receive high school credits for Science 10 and Math 10C if successful. If you're looking for an academic challenge during your junior high years, then Accelerated Math and the Science program is a perfect choice for you.
As you walk through our doors, you'll feel the warm embrace of our Catholic values. We're not just a school, we're a family committed to care, acceptance, and Christian service. Our motto is growing together in mind, body, and spirit, just like our patron saint, St. Hilda, who inspired generations with her passion for justice, charity, and peace. We have a strong connection and relationship with St. Teresa Parish. We meet with and learn from clergy on a weekly basis.
Now let's talk about options. Options and choice play a crucial role in our junior high learning experience, especially when they match our interests. At St. Hilda, we have a variety of different options to choose from: foods, construction, outdoor education, French, and music. The school also explores adding new courses throughout the year. There are also opportunities to participate in extracurricular activities such as the student leadership, fitness club, recycle club, our celebrations committee, and different sports teams.
Speaking of sports, St. Hilda's isn't just about hitting the books. It's about hitting the courts, fields, and tracks. With over 60 city championships, we're not just a school, we're champions in volleyball, basketball, soccer, and more. The spacious courts in our gymnasium host various sports and recreational activities. Our gym is not just a physical space, it's also a hub for our school community and serves as a backdrop for school events and religious celebrations. It's here where we showcase the vibrant spirit of our student body. Go Hawks, go! We also have a fitness room, and under the guidance of qualified instructors, students learn the fundamentals of exercise, proper techniques, and the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle.
Here at St. Hilda, we are preparing for the challenges and opportunities of a digital future. Our school utilizes cutting-edge tools, including a fleet of Chromebooks, to enhance the learning experience. By blending traditional teaching methods with these modern resources, we're gaining essential academic knowledge and digital literacy skills necessary for success in a rapidly evolving world.
As you can see, St. Hilda has a lot to offer students.
So prospective Hawks, we hope you've enjoyed this sneak peek into what school life would be like at St. Hilda.
Get ready to soar and join us in September. We can't wait to welcome you. Bye.